Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Homemade face scrubs. Number 1. Coconut oil. Pour some drops of coconut oil into brown sugar and mix well. It is very important that you clean your facial skin completely and remove makeup before using this scrub. Then dampen your face with water. Take some scrub and massage it on your face in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes to remove all the dead cells. Rinse with warm water to open the clogged pores. Number 2. Almond facial scrub. Almond facial scrub is a powerful exfoliator and detoxifier of the skin. The dry dead skin cells, blemishes, blackheads, and whiteheads are buffed away with almonds. Soak few almonds in warm milk at night. Grind them to a paste in the morning and massage gently on the wet skin of the face with the fingertips for a few minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 3. Olive oil and brown sugar. Olive oil has anti-aging properties and enhances exfoliation, while brown sugar helps fight bacteria, and honey moisturizes dry skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of brown sugar with 1 teaspoon each of honey and olive oil. Stir well and then apply it to your face. Gently scrub your face working upwards from the chin, in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash off with warm water and later splash some cold water to close the skin pores. Use this twice a week for better results. Number 4. Lemon honey face scrub. This lemon and honey face scrub brightens the complexion and improves the skin texture. To make this, take 2 tablespoons of honey, a single spoon of lime juice, olive oil, and half TBS of sugar. Mix them all and apply it to the face for a while and wash it with warm water. Number 5. Egg face scrub. Mix egg white, sea salt, and lemon juice together. Pour a few drops of honey to the mixture. Apply it on the face and scrub well for 4 to 5 minutes. After some time, wash off your face with water. Lemon will reduce the blemishes and remove the excess oil, revitalizing your skin. Number 6. Tomato facial scrub. Mash a tomato and add sugar powder to it. Mix it with a spoon. Take some scrub and massage it on your face slowly for 3 to 4 minutes. Then, wash off with water. Number 7. Baking soda, honey, and lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and lemon juice in a bowl. To this add half a tablespoon of raw honey. Stir well to make a smooth paste and apply it to your face. Gently scrub your face in circular motions for 2 to 4 minutes. Wash it off with warm water followed by cold water. Baking soda deeply exfoliates the skin. Lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, reducing sebum production. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.